Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey filled with love, bonding, and nourishment. But at some point, every mother faces the big question: when and how do I stop breastfeeding? Is your baby ready? Are you ready? And how do you make the transition as smooth as possible? In today's video, we'll cover the clear signs that your baby is ready to wean, the best techniques for stopping breastfeeding without discomfort, and how to support both you and your baby emotionally during this transition. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, are you currently breastfeeding? If so, how long have you been on this journey? We'd love to hear from you. Now let's get started. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to when you should stop breastfeeding. The World Health Organization recommends breastfeeding for at least 2 years, while the American Academy of Pediatrics encourages exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months, followed by continued nursing along with solid foods. But the right time to stop depends on you and your baby. Here are some key signs that your baby might be ready to stop breastfeeding. Your baby is losing interest in nursing. If your little one is more fascinated by solid foods and is skipping feedings, they might be ready. They can drink from a cup or bottle. If your baby can comfortably drink from a cup, it may be a sign to transition. Night feedings are reducing. Babies who sleep longer without needing to nurse may be naturally weaning themselves. Less comfort nursing. If your baby no longer seeks the breast for comfort when upset, they may be emotionally ready to stop. You feel ready to stop. Don't ignore your own emotions and well-being. If you're feeling drained or overwhelmed, it's okay to make a change. Have you noticed any of these signs in your baby? Let us know in the comments. Once you recognize that your baby is ready, it's time to wean gradually. This is the best way to avoid discomfort for both of you. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Drop one feeding at a time. Start by removing the least important feeding session first, like midday nursing, while keeping the morning and bedtime sessions. Step 2. Replace nursing with a cup or bottle. Offer pumped milk, formula, or a nutritious snack instead of breastfeeding. Step 3. Shorten the length of feedings. If your baby nurses for 10 minutes, try reducing it to 5. Step 4. Offer more distractions. Engage your baby with toys, activities, or a cuddle session instead of nursing. Step 5. Night weaning, if needed. If your baby still feeds at night, slowly reduce the duration of nighttime nursing and comfort them in other ways. Weaning gradually will help prevent engorgement and discomfort for you while giving your baby time to adjust. Weaning isn't always smooth, and you might run into some challenges like engorgement and discomfort. Your body still produces milk, so express a little if needed to relieve pressure, but avoid full pumping sessions. Emotional struggles. Both you and your baby might feel sad. Lots of cuddles and reassurance help. Baby refusing to wean. If your baby resists, try again in a few weeks. Some babies need more time. Hormonal changes. Some moms experience mood swings as their body adjusts. Remember, this is a process, not an overnight change. Be patient with yourself and your baby. Breastfeeding is more than just nutrition. It's comfort and bonding. To help your baby through this transition, offer extra cuddles and snuggles. Read books or sing to your baby instead of nursing. Ensure they get enough nutrition through solid foods and healthy snacks. Be patient. Every baby adjusts at their own pace. Weaning should feel natural and positive, not forced. So, when and how do you stop breastfeeding? The answer is simple: when it feels right for both you and your baby. Watch for the signs of readiness, take it one step at a time, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself during this transition. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you thinking about weaning your baby? What are your biggest concerns? Let's chat in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more baby and parenting tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Watch next, insert related video link here. Thanks for watching and happy parenting.